So I'm gonna get this started, get this taken care of, get this out of here, and get that new one in here. I started by disconnecting power, turning off propane. Good thing I had my drill, because there was tons of screws. I mean it. Then I had to run, go get a knife, and cut off the caulking so I could free it up from the RV. Take your time, be careful. Gotta watch for the sneaky screw hiding under the caulking. Beauty tape will get you every time. But hey, thanks for watching.